So all the acharyas say that one can, in other words, they say, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. If you have knowledge, one man who's trained in knowledge of the material phenomenon, his eyes have a certain power to perceive reality. But if one's heart is saturated with love, then his eyes will see the beloved everywhere. So the gopis are so loving Krishna and so surrendered. They love him the most so they can appreciate Krishna's full qualities. And Krishna reveals everything automatically in their hearts about his sweetness and greatness. This is actually the phenomenon of self-realization. In a platform of bhakti, where self-realization is a personal experience of the personality of Godhead and the personality of the Atma. So we see oftentimes there are sadhus and saints, at least in the in front of our eyes, they don't walk around with tons of books and notebooks, but they have everything is revealed to them by Krishna. So the gopis never studied anything, but they know the art of loving. And from the art of loving, that's why we see that Prabhupada explains in the Krishna book, he said, women have an advantage in Krishna consciousness. Women have a great advantage because of the simplicity of their hearts and their basic gentle nature. It is easy for them to fall in love with Krishna.